Dementia ambient care, multi-sensing monitoring for intelligent remote management and decision support. The DemCare project provides a multi-sensor monitoring solution for people at early stages of dementia. Based on fused sensor measurements, clinicians are able to understand a participant's ability to identify patterns related to activities of daily living in order to provide a more accurate diagnosis and personalised support. Moreover, personalised feedback is provided to the person with dementia and also to their carers based on a comprehensive and objective picture of their condition. Every participant who takes part in the DemCare Lab pilots is informed about the project and the ethic regulations and signs a relevant consent form. The technological solutions of DemCare are designed to support 3 different pilot settings: the lab, nursing home, and home environments. In the lab environment, participants visit specialised labs equipped with sensors and monitoring technology in order to objectively assess their ability to independently carry out activities of daily living. Participants' data are logged into the project platform throughout the clinician interface. The project involves various types of sensors, such as wearable sensors, to measure activity levels and emotional status. Participants perform simple directed activities with the clinician present, monitored by ambient camera and wearable sensors to identify their ability to carry out single and dual tasks like walking and counting. Visual stimuli are used in vocal tasks to trigger participants' speech. Speech analysis algorithms, developed within the DemCare project, are used to automatically categorize subjects as either healthy, mild cognitive impairment, or Alzheimer's disease, in order to support clinicians in their diagnosis. In order to evaluate a participant's ability to live alone and independently, the system objectively measures their ability to carry out on their own a predetermined set of activities dictated by clinical experts. Ambient camera data is processed by activity recognition algorithms to automatically detect the activities the person is carrying out, their duration and possible repetitions. All these contribute to a more complete and objective participant profile. In different environments, emergencies can also be detected, immediately notifying carers. Motion sensors are attached to objects of interest, that is, teacup, kettle, drug box, to indicate which objects are used and provide details about which activities are being carried out and how. Smart plug sensors are attached to electric appliances, for example, the tea kettle, radio, TV, to collect power consumption data for activity detection. This is an indicator that such activities can also be performed successfully or not in everyday life. In such way, the system is able to identify if the participant uses or not an electrical device and for how long. The DemCare system is able to detect even more complex tasks, that include items and activities in different places, simulating everyday life. For example, in order to establish the account balance, a participant has to use a calculator, which is in a different area than the account bill. Based on each person's individual profile, the clinician decides the number and type of activities to be monitored. For some patients, clinicians need to know the duration of phone use or plant watering, while for other patients, they need to monitor their ability to complete financial activities, like establishing an account balance. While activities are captured, data are fused and analysed in order to detect missed, unsuccessful or successful activities, contributing again to the participant's profile. Participation in the DemCare project has been proven beneficial. The clinicians are able to see the results from ambient and wearable monitoring sensors, which have been intelligently fused through appropriate interfaces. These fused sensor measurement outcomes will support both diagnosis or treatment interventions, fulfilling the goal of the DemCare Lab pilot. The DemCare monitoring of activities of daily living was implemented under the DemCare Lab protocol in Nice, France and Thessaloniki, Greece, in pilots involving 285 participants. The automated analysis of the sensor data resulted in the clinical assessment of healthy, mild cognitive impairment and Alzheimer's disease participants, with 83% accuracy, making a significant contribution to Alzheimer's disease community.